Are you looking for the best dashcam? In this video we will look at some of the best dashcam on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Aers Wireless CarPlay Cam. The Aers Wireless CarPlay Cam seems like a powerhouse of features bundled into a sleek 10.26 4K dashcam. The inclusion of advanced driver assistance systems, Aers, suggests a focus on safety, possibly offering features like lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and more. The integration of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto enhances the connectivity options, ensuring a seamless link between the device and your smartphone. The 5G Wi-Fi capability is a nice touch, promising fast and reliable data transfer. With built-in GPS navigation, this dashcam isn't just about recording video, it's also a navigation tool. The rear view camera adds an extra layer of security and convenience. The sizable 10.26 screen implies a clear and detailed display, crucial for reviewing footage and navigating menus. Number 2. Dascam 4K GPS. The Dascam 4K GPS Wi-Fi 24H parking monitor seems like a high-tech addition to your car. With 4K resolution, it promises crystal clear footage for both front and rear views. The inclusion of GPS ensures that not only are you capturing your surroundings, but you're also keeping track of your location data. The Wi-Fi feature likely allows for easy connectivity and sharing of your recorded videos. The 24-hour parking monitor is a handy security feature, ensuring your vehicle is under surveillance even when you're not around. This dual DVR system appears to be a comprehensive solution for those looking to invest in a reliable car camera system. Number 3. 70mm Dashcam. The 70mm Dashcam 810 is a cutting-edge device that takes your car surveillance to the next level. Boasting Ultra HD 4K resolution, it ensures crystal clear footage, providing you with a detailed and comprehensive view of your surroundings while on the road. The built-in GPS functionality adds an extra layer of sophistication, allowing you to track your routes and precisely log your journeys. One standout feature of the 70mm Dashcam 810 is its advanced driver assistance systems, Aers. This technology is like having a virtual co-pilot, offering real-time warnings and assistance to enhance your driving safety. Whether it's lane departure warnings or collision alerts, the Aers feature is designed to keep you informed and, more importantly, keep you safe. Number 4. M210 4K Plus 2K Dashcam. The HGDO M210 4K Plus 2K Dashcam seems like a feature-packed device designed to capture your driving experience comprehensively. With a 4K resolution for the front camera and 2K for the rear, it promises high-quality video recording. The use of Sony IMX415 for the front camera and Sony IMX307 for the rear indicates a commitment to quality imaging. The inclusion of GPS and Wi-Fi is a modern touch, allowing for precise location tracking and easy connectivity for data transfer. The rear view mirror design suggests seamless integration with your car, offering a discreet and neat setup. It also functions as a video recorder, ensuring you have a reliable record of your journeys. Number 5. TiESFONG GM10 Max Dashcam. The TiESFONG GM10 Max Dashcam seems to be quite the feature-packed device. With a resolution of 2K, 1440p, and a 4-channel 360-degree camera, it promises comprehensive coverage for your car. The inclusion of a 24-hour parking monitor suggests an emphasis on security, ensuring that the dashcam remains vigilant even when you're away. The GPS feature adds an extra layer of functionality, allowing for location tracking and possibly even speed monitoring. Night vision capabilities further enhance its utility, providing clear video recording even in low light conditions. The impressive 256GB maximum storage capacity ensures that you can capture a significant amount of footage before needing to worry about space. Overall, it seems like a reliable companion for both regular driving and parked security.